Hey guys, welcome back. In my car again. The gypsies are back at it again. Road trip to Halifax is now commencing. Wish I could get a haircut. Can't afford one.
Yeah, we're going to Halifax with collectively $70.
Jordan's getting $2.50. Right now I only have 81 cents though.
Yeah, I have $30 and like 50 cents or something. What did he say to his dad? Like, I need $250 to go on a road trip.
Yeah.
Yeah?
No, he didn't. I don't know what he said.
Oh.
I want to go to IKEA. I didn't eat yet today.
Me either, and I can't afford to.
Oh, my stomach really hurts too. I ain't hungry, Jordan. I did. Oh, Cassidy J subscribed today. Thanks, Cassidy J. Shout out of the day. We're at Subway. I'm mad. Very mad.
Thank you.
Yeah. For no reason.
Thanks, buddy. Have a good one.
Yeah, I'm so drunk. We made it to the big city. Fucking cup holder's filled with water. It's flooding.
What are you trying to do?
There's literally water that leaked out of a cup, and she's like, "It's so gross."
That's actually been there since like the first time I've ever been in this car. Like,
It's definitely not real. Did anybody tell her we're here?
No.
you guys did.
Hi, Rachel.
Hi, everyone. Hi.
Hi.
Well, we have to do some redecorating. It's like, bitch, I don't care about your
Jordan, we need that on.
What does
Why?
this mean?
We're vlogging.
I literally told him off last night for this. You can't drive with the light
Oh,
on.
yeah, it's illegal. That's what moms say when they want the lights off.
Yeah, because nobody can see.
It's illegal. You can't
It's not
out of the
illegal.
goddamn car. It is illegal.
Perfect.
I took corrections.
Oh my
I'm
god.
sweating so much.
Me too.
My armpits
Open
are
the
like
sunroof.
I'm not even shocked to see you guys. I feel like I see you guys every 2 days, and we're supposed to live 5 hours apart.
Where are we going first?
The liquor store.
It's on Spring Garden. Go to this way, left.
How does this work?
Well, stop signs, so
But like,
you go.
freezing out. We just went to the liquor store, but we're going to a different one because they didn't have many options. We're not backtail. We're just downtown. Best friends. Best friend tag. Make sure to go check out yesterday's video.
Does it also look Estes right now?
Sounds good. Say hi, Rachel.
Hi.
Burr, it's cold, eh?
Yeah, my nipples are so apart.
No, say swipe up to watch the new videos.
Oh yeah, you didn't put that on.
What should everyone do tonight, Rachel?
Swipe up to watch new videos.
What should everyone do tonight, Rachel? Swipe up to watch new videos! Didn't turn the camera.
This is like the behind the scenes eh?
What should everyone do tonight, Rachel? Swipe up to watch new videos! But Grammy, like let's say I would stub my toe real hard and I'd like be crying real bad like when I was little. Jordan and Grammy would be like and I would go crazy and I would like pick up a chair and fire it across the room. One time Grammy and Rosie left me at Grammy's house and they drove away laughing like it was like a little joke. I go in Grammy's house, rip the curtains all in half, tear the place apart, then the got pulled over by the police and Grammy said, "Oh, my poor dog has broken legs." Like she was in casts and everything. Poor princess. But like they weren't. She pretended they're like rushing to the vet for broken legs.
On the beat, and the beat got sicker. Like liquor, say it all on the mouth like liquor, mouth like liquor. Say it all on the mouth like liquor. Say it all.
You know, like this gotta be.
His knees gotta be pointed.
No one's as flexible as me, except I can't bend down very far. Keep taking. You gotta take a bunch. Yeah, at least have to tag me in it if you're making fun of me so I can get more pics. Hola, amigos. Say and what's I gonna say? When I'm drunk, I like close my eyes and talk. I'll be at the bar like dancing for half an hour with my eyes closed. I just pretend I'm somewhere else. We're taking a Domino's. He's won a new Domino cab service. They're taking us to Pacifico. You just gotta call on these deals. Open the door, Rachel.
There's no door handle. There we go, bud. Nice. Oh, camera.
I'm gonna do a shot real quick. viewers.
In 500 meters, turn left onto Duke Street.
Just going to the. Everyone else wants to leave, but I want to party. Yeah, turn up here. The only other thing I want to say is the person working at Subway was a f***ing and I was not gonna deal with all that shit. So I f***ing said, yeah, you're being a and I dealt with that and I said, whatever you f***ing want to do, you can f***ing say, but you're being a so sorry. You have such a beautiful place you live. Oh, c'est l'océan dans l'Atlantique océan. C'est belle. C'est très belle. No, when we got home last night, I had only mixed one drink out of this before we went to the bar. Then I came home and drank like the rest. I was like, hey, stop it. 12 bars was amazing last night. I loved it. What is this thing?
Microwave?
I don't own one. It sends radiation into your life. Remember when I gave you a lap dance?
Last night when Kelsey was
Oh
over.
yeah, I was like, hump me. You like climbed on.
So I just want to stop at the Apple store to pick up a new iPhone and IKEA to pick up new room furniture.
Oh yeah, I gotta get you that iPhone X for Christmas. I f***ing forgot about that. I have no money left.
You do?
No, I f***ing told you that last night. You're like, can you buy me a shot? I'm like, no.
But you
You're like,
didn't.
Oh, come on. Yes, I f***ing did.
No, you didn't.
I bought you a drink at the bar.
Did you?
Yeah.
I don't remember that. Oh, it snowed in New Brunswick. I wish there was big f***ing blizzard shut down outside. Never have to leave, because I'm never leaving. Try and get me to leave, like, you try. This is home. We should have had mimosas this morning.
So disgusting. Especially watching you eat them, like actually.
Oh my god, I haven't missed this song.
What is she talking about? She said when you eat them, it's disgusting. A mimosa is champagne and orange juice.
What are they called? The little triangles?
Oh, a samosa. That is the Indian pastry that I eat. I get the spicy chicken. They're really
Your
good.
skin
Jordan
looks
loves
so
samosas.
Samosas, I like samosas. You look at me and say, I, Riley Dutcher, did not do any drugs last night.
My name is Riley Dutcher, and I have a basketball game tomorrow. I feel like I'm at the fucking optometrist. Here you take it. My contacts are gonna fall out. So, subscribe. When you're watching my vlogs, I'm Riley Dutcher, and when you're watching my vlogs, I'm out racing on my sled.
What?
So call my subscribe. Windshields are good. Driving. Let's go to IKEA. That'd be fun.
Can I come?
Yeah,
I want to go to IKEA.
Let's go.
I want to drive.
What's our plan?
Go team.
What's our plan? Suck and run to anybody?
Figure it out.
Oh my
IKEA
god.
has food.
Riley, it's that car from Breaking Bad that's yellow.
That's what I said. That be an Aztec. A bumblebee Aztec.
What the fuck?
Me and Kelsey talk about cars a lot. We like cars.
Vroom,
We're car
vroom.
enthusiasts.
The car guys in here.
A deluxe club followed me on Instagram. Maybe we can go hang out there. Deluxe fries and chips. One time we went to Deluxe fries and chips. The people making our
Fish and chips.
the guy that was giving us our food had scabs all over his arms because he was a drug addict.
Oh, that's cute.
A scab would have fell in my fish and chips.
Ew, what?
Rub-a-dub-dub. In the tub. Skitty bop bop bop. What's good?
Literally, what are you fucking doing? You're shaving to go to IKEA.
I wish I could work at IKEA, but that's a long drive every day.
Like IKEA here?
You're gonna get razor burns.
I don't get that. I don't believe in that.
Did I tell you what happened the other day? I was like, I'm craving popcorn. She's like, I don't believe in that. What do you mean you don't believe in popcorn? Like, pretends it doesn't exist.
Turn the TV on with the button. She said that breaks the TV.
Alright, let's giddy up out of here. Riley's supposed to sit here for a few more minutes.
I'm getting the Google Maps going.
Steps take Highway 111 dark method.
We're here. How impatient could you possibly f***ing be, Riley? Oh!
I'm gonna get in there quick.
I should have taken a gravel before I got in this car.
At IKEA, your destination will be
They have
on your
food
left.
here.
Food? Riley, be careful. We're gonna run someone over. Here, right here, right here. Oh! Oh my god.
We're just having a ball.
This bookcase is only $250.
Look at those coasters. They're gold. It's nice. I think this case messes up my camera. So guys, thanks. This is gonna be an amazing Vlogmas. And December is gonna be the best month of the year this year. So make sure to subscribe and turn on my post notifications so you don't miss any of the videos that I'm gonna be posting this month.